For coming with me to Walgreens. Let's check out what they have in this aisle. I'm loving their stuff. Look at these these slides. These flip-flops. Oh my goodness, so they're $15.99, but look at the embellishment on them. They're gorgeous. And then these are $14.99, and they come in these colors. Actually, all of these are $14.99. Then they have this style here, $15.99. So they have some slides over here, $5.99, and some regular flip-flops. So this is what they have on that wall. And then they have some clothing over here. I didn't even know Walgreens had clothing. So these look like you throw them over your bathing suit. These are really nice. I'm not really seeing a price on them. Let me see. They're $13.99. So these are the pants. These pants look so comfortable. I like those. They're so nice. So they have some of that. Then if you come over here, you see some Forget-Me-Not Grow Kit. Okay, you see a price on that. Here's a succulent grow kit, and that's $6.99. Then you have these. It said daisies and cactus and sunflower. Those are $2.99. Then these over here says dog on duty. And then that one says beware of the cat. Yeah, welcome, beware of the cat. So that's $3.99. And then you have these. Aren't they adorable, guys? Those are $2.99. Here's the succulents. Look how pretty that is. Okay, those are $4.99. And look at the llama. Isn't that cute? That succulent is so cute. So that's $7.99. And then this is a singing bird in the box, $9.99. And here's some of the lights. So you have some more of these wire lights. And here's the butterfly for $4.99. And these are really pretty too. And here's some more butterflies. So guys, over here you have some totes. So this insulated tote is $19.99, and the smaller one is $8.99. Then you have this one for $19.99, and that one for $12.99, and the really small one. Well, I don't know why and this little small one for $9.99. On the bottom they have charcoal, the fans. Oh, I found some gems. This is pretty nice. It's $8.99. Oh, look, you get a whole... This is nice. I don't think I've ever seen that. You get every color inside of this booklet. Then they have some glue sticks, and they have a glue gun. This is in Walgreens, guys. I didn't even know they had this emergency stuff. And then they even have some board, some cardboard, poster board, I mean. Then you have some games. So you have the Toy Story Uno game. That's $8.99. And then the Uno Dare for $6.99. Then the Skip Bo. I don't think I've ever played that game, so that's $10.99. And then you have the Go Gamer Portable. That's $24.99. Then the Yahtzee to Go. That's $4.99. And the IQ Twist, $9.99. The Math Dice, $7.99. And then the Rubik's Cube, $19.99. So you have a puzzle, wooden puzzles, $6.99. Clue. Then you have some more of these toys down here. Some stuffed animals. These toys are really cute, guys. I'm just kind of scanning through so you could see them. So look at the llama. That's so cute. And I think this is a pink llama. Yes, with a unicorn head. Okay. So guys, they even have some Marvel Superhero Adventures toys for $12.99, and then they have this one, looks like the Hulk, $9.99. Then you have the mini magnificently. Then you have some of those stuffed animals over there, squishy type toys, the Squeezamals. And then you have the Turbo Blast Racers. Okay guys, so then you have these small slime. Here's the Twisty Pets for $7.99. And then they have the Ballsy Animals. Then they have the Splat Ball and the Punchy Purple, the Gaff, the Play-Doh. Then they have this. It's called what? This is the butter fruit punch. Then they have the cloudy putty for $5.99. So this over here is the sparkly critters, $17.99. That's expensive. And then you have the toy gun over there for $14.99. Then you have your regular sports, and you even have the cars. And here's the reptiles, Jurassic Park. And here you have a Reptar, $17.99. You have the Hot Wheels for $5. This one here is $5.49. And then this one here is $1.19. And then you have Monster Jam, $5.49, and Batman, $9.99. So that's pretty cool, guys. And you have AJ Styles over here for $12.99. Pokemon. Then you have some more of these. What is this? Fantastic Four. Harvey Bullock, Finn, Mr. Fantastic, Imposter, Harley Quinn. And these are $10.99, guys. Then you have Captain Marvel. You have your regular card games over here. So, guys, thank you for coming with me to Walgreens just to stroll through their area where they have their game and toys. And I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in another video.